the mountain again after the fire. There were several big there were several big fires that no place is black as you, I don't know if you can see that. But the moral of the story is I got a thermal coat on and I'm gonna go and try and get halfway up there. Right, this is level. I'm going up there. I'm about halfway up, but I feel like I'm halfway down. Keep going. I'm up here. You can see how high I am, because we can see Newport. Now, hi, last, if you can see, I got that far to go. Troy's doing pretty good. Well, I'm at the top. Well, the top. I don't want to go up there. Not today. I've been up there before, man. I went flying I won't say flying. I took the drone out the other day. Walked about let's say a mile. Walked about a mile. Started putting it together like this. And realised I didn't have a phone. I forgot to take my phone. So I had to pack it all back up and piss back off, which made me quite fucking pissed off. We have a Phantom 3. It's looking like this. The GPS, whatever you want to call it, is fighting every inch of the way. You can hear how windy it is. You can probably see how windy it is. There you go, folks. Thanks for sticking around. I gotta go all the way down there now, but I think it's easier going down than it is coming up, they used to tell me. There's a lot of people up here today. People just going down. I just saw there's a gang of people down there. By there somewhere. Oh, by there. By there. Everybody's in a hiking mood today. There's a fella up on the pimple. He's looking at me, looking at him, looking at me, looking at him. Well, there you are, folks. We went up to there. We all know Troy Boy, don't we? He's my good boy. Where's Buster? Where's Buster? Right, I'm shutting the door now. Watch your head. Watch your head. Good boy.